everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching my zone. If you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Shuchismita and I make art related videos. So today's video is about unboxing Faber Castell synthetic flat brushes. So let's get started.
Two hours later.
Wow, this is exactly the same just as it was shown in the picture. So guys, these are the 4 brushes that I got, and as you can see it is number 1, 2, 4 and 6. Let's open this. The one I am holding right now is number 6 brush. Now as I turn it back, as you can see, the price written over this is 140, but I got it for 116. And these brushes are for tempera, poster, water, acrylic and oil colors. And guess one thing, the price varies. Sometimes it's 116, sometimes it's 124. I will provide the link of this product in the description box. So guys, if you like this video, do not forget to give a thumb, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Take care.